Thailand is a backpacker's paradise, and planning a one-month itinerary can be both exciting and overwhelming. Let's dive right into a route that will take you through some of the most breathtaking sights and experiences this beautiful country has to offer. Start your journey in Bangkok, the bustling capital. Spend a few days exploring the Grand Palace and Wat Pho, home to the famous reclining Buddha. Don't miss the vibrant street food scene. Try some pad thai or mango sticky rice from a local vendor. The night markets are a must-visit too, where you can shop for souvenirs and sample delicious snacks. From Bangkok, take an overnight train to Chiang Mai. The journey is an experience in itself, with stunning views of the countryside. Once in Chiang Mai, immerse yourself in the local culture. Visit the ancient temples like Wat Phra Singh and Wat Chedi Luang. If you're feeling adventurous, take a day trip to Doi Sathep for panoramic views of the city. And don't forget to participate in a cooking class. Learning to make traditional Thai dishes is a highlight. Next, head north to Pai, a small town known for its laid-back vibe. The drive from Chiang Mai to Pai is scenic, with winding roads and lush landscapes. Spend a few days here relaxing in hot springs, exploring waterfalls, and renting a scooter to discover the surrounding countryside. The Pai Canyon at sunset is a sight you won't want to miss. After Pai, return to Chiang Mai and catch a flight to the islands. First stop, Koh Samui. This island is famous for its beautiful beaches and lively nightlife. Spend your days lounging on Chaweng Beach or exploring the nearby Ong Thong National Marine Park. Try snorkeling or kayaking to truly appreciate the stunning scenery. From Koh Samui, take a ferry to Koh Phangan, known for its full moon party. Even if your timing doesn't align with the party, the island offers serene beaches and great hiking trails. Visit then Sadet National Park for a day of adventure, and don't forget to check out the local beach bars for some live music. Next, hop over to Koh Tao, a diver's haven. If you've ever wanted to learn to dive, this is the place. The underwater life is vibrant, and you can easily find courses for all levels. Even if diving isn't your thing, the beaches are stunning, and the sunsets are unforgettable. After soaking up the sun on the islands, make your way back to the mainland and head to Krabi. The limestone cliffs and clear waters of Railay Beach are breathtaking. Spend your days rock climbing, kayaking, or simply relaxing on the beach. A day trip to the nearby Hong Islands is also worth it for some of the best snorkeling in Thailand. Finally, wrap up your month in Thailand with a visit to the historic city of Ayutthaya. Just a short train ride from Bangkok, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is filled with ancient temples and ruins. Rent a bike to explore the area and take in the rich history. This one-month itinerary offers a mix of culture, adventure, and relaxation, showcasing the best of Thailand. Each destination has its own unique charm, making it an unforgettable journey. Embrace the spontaneity of backpacking, meet fellow travelers, and create memories that will last a lifetime.